So here we are going to share with you how to make a vision board. Based on Wikipedia, vision board is a collection of images, pictures, and affirmations of one's dreams and desires, designed to serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. This vision board can be a reminder or motivation for us towards the goals in life we want to achieve. And here are the steps to make it.
Hello, my name is Firda, and I'm gonna tell you the first 3 steps of how to make it. The first thing you have to do is design what you'll be applying on your vision board. The vision board has a vision of everything you wanna achieve or create: a photo of your dream university, a photo of the country you wanna visit, quotes, or maybe a picture of your favorite idol. Actually, the contents of this vision board are free to go according to what you want. There are no limits to its manufacture. The next step will be the theme you will select in creating the vision board. You can select a theme based on your favorite color palette, such as colorful, monochrome, or perhaps one-tone color. On the vision board that we're gonna make, we choose a one-tone color about blue, because it will make the atmosphere cooler, calming, and more eye-pleasing. Then, select your vision board media. It could be a board or a poster, or it could even use digital media such as smartphones and laptops. We choose a media poster because it would be easier to explore in its decorating than digital methods.
So here I am, Lauditta Destia, number 15, continuing my friend's explanation. And the next steps are, when you finish designing, establishing a theme and the media, start preparing the material you need. The material here we prepare are manila paper, origami paper, photo paper, printer, scissor, glue, brush pens, stickers, washi tape, color pens, ruler, and pencil. Feel free to use whatever materials you have and need. Don't forget to adjust to your chosen theme and color palette. After preparing the materials, you may begin to find pictures that represent your feelings, dreams, wishes, hopes, and desires you want to achieve. Pictures can be found from Google, Pinterest, or other image providers. Then, look for quotes that can motivate yourselves, like inspirational quotes or affirmation sentences. Write the right choices that can touch and relate to your soul. After choosing all the pictures, you can print them using photographic paper to make it more durable. Remember to adjust the picture size based on the media you are going to use.
I am Najwa, continuing my friend explanation, and step number 8 is tear or cut out chosen photos and quotes. For a more rugged or undone look, tear your photos or quotes around the edges. For a neater look, cut out the quotes and photos with a pair of scissors, or consider mixing the two styles for a truly unique look. After all the vision board materials and elements are ready, start to set it on paper media. Order it while still paying attention to their aesthetic value. Don't be in a rush to glue it on the paper. And then, if you have already satisfied with the layout of each element, start to attach the elements on the paper. Then, add decoration as you like. You can add stickers or write something with a brush pen to make it look more interesting. Finally, the vision board is ready, and you can put it somewhere visible or passable so that it can be a reminder for yourself to become the best version of you.
That is from us. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below to love us because we are lovable people. Lol, just kidding. Bye guys. I hope we get the perfect score for this task. Thanks for watching and bye bye.